And still, your champions, Navi Philippines, will be representing the country para sa darating na MWI 2026. You know what time it is. Hands in. So for everybody's information, Navi Philippines is the strongest female team that we have here in the country. I think that goes without saying because they've managed to keep their form over the last 2 years since they were acquired by Navi mula nung nanggaling sila sa pagiging Smart Omega Empress. Although for this year, it's the same organization going to MWI pero iba yung dalawa sa kanilang mga manlalaro. It's still not Ayanami, Keishi, and Mirai na parte pa rin ng squad na ito. But two of their newest additions for this year was Rian and Rain. And still, it's the same result. Major props pa rin sa Falcons Vega for reaching it this far towards the tournament na nakarating sila sa Athena League Finals. It's just that this team is too strong. And you know, the retool might be what they need to excel even further. Kasi sigurado ako na bawing-bawi yung tatlo sa kanila at excited naman maglaro yung dalawa sa kanilang pinakaunang MWI. During the MWI 2025, it wasn't the result that they've wanted dahil medyo na-eliminate sila ng maaga-aga towards the playoffs when people were expecting them to reach the top 4 at least or maybe even the finals. So ngayon, may chances silang ibawi yung kanilang mga sarili. And I'm really hoping that they can do that. Pero sa ngayon, back to the drawing board muna. Kunwari walang nangyari, although I feel like that's what they're doing already. They've claimed the MWI trophy 2 years ago. Can they do it again in France?